Hey everyone, friends, welcome to the Velour channel. Today I'll show you how to download and install Java JDK 25. For this, we need to go to Google and type in JDK 25. There. And right away we see Java downloads on the Oracle site. So we go here and there's already 26 available. We need 25 Windows and we want the installer, the clean installer. Click it. Well, why download the archive? Right, we can just download the installer directly. Click Open it. Sometimes it doesn't open for me the first time for some reason. Okay? So click Next, choose the path here, or rather click Next and wait for installation. Meanwhile, we can go to this path and see where it installed. It installed to program files. And here somewhere in Java now. Here's Java, we downloaded JDK 25 0.2. Close it, go in. And here we need to go to bin and copy this path, then add it to the Windows environment. For this, we need to edit the system environment. Go in. Here, click on Edit Paths, and add a new path to our JDK. Click OK. There. And now we can check through CMD whether we installed everything correctly. For this, type in Java version here. Like this, hit enter, and Java 25 is already installed. This was Velour. Hit like, subscribe to the channel. See you all later.